Hello everyone. Well, as you know that the Council for the ICSE board has released a specimen question paper for the semester 2 examinations which are to be held in the month of March and April this year in 2022. So based on that specimen question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of 12 books, 12 question banks in different subjects. So this is the book for mathematics. Let us see what is this book all about. To start with, let me tell you that this book has chapter-wise basic concepts and question bank. This book also has specimen question paper solved for semester 2 examinations which is released by CISCE. Also, this book has model test papers based on the latest specimen question paper released by the Council for semester 2 examinations which are to be held in this year. So let us see how the book has been designed. To start with, let us see the syllabus. In the starting of the book, the complete syllabus is given. As you can see, unit-wise, the complete syllabus is given. Let me also tell you that this syllabus is basically the reduced syllabus for academic year 2021 and 2022. So here you can see the complete syllabus. After the complete syllabus, the bifurcated syllabus is given here. The bifurcated syllabus is for semester 1 and semester 2. As we all know, both the semesters are for 40 marks each. This is the book for semester 2, so we will be only talking about the semester 2 syllabus, right? After the bifurcated syllabus, the contents are given. Please note that the contents of this book are divided into 3 different sections. Section A is the question bank, Section B is the specimen question paper, and Section C is the model test papers. In Section A, the question bank, all the units are given and question bank is given for all the units. In Section B, the specimen question paper is there which is released by the Council itself. It is the solved paper. And in Section C, the model test papers are there which are unsolved for the practice of the students. Also, let me tell you, these model test papers are based on the latest specimen question paper released by the Council. Let us see how the units are planned. Now, this is unit number 2, Algebra, Chapter 1, Reflection. So, in the starting of the unit, you can see the basic concepts are given. All the concepts are given point-wise. It is only for the simple reason that the child can actually recapitulate the complete chapter in a very short while. So, all the units have been designed in a similar manner where the basic concepts, or you can say important points or summary, is given in the starting. After this, the question bank is there. Before I tell you about the question bank, let me tell you the questions which are there in the question bank are almost similar to the specimen question paper, which means the type of questions which are there in the specimen question paper released by the Council, almost similar kind of questions are there in the question bank. So here in the question bank, there are different sections. Section A is the multiple choice questions, which are 1 mark type question. All the solutions are given along with the questions since it's a solved question bank. So all the solutions are there. After the 1 mark type question, there is section B, which is short answer type questions, which is 2 marks type questions. As I have mentioned earlier, it is a solved question bank. So all the solutions are provided along with the questions. There are almost 10 to 15 questions in each section. So these are all 2 marks type questions. After the 2 marks type questions comes section C, which is the long answer type questions, which are 3 marks type questions. Again, the solutions follows the questions. You can see there are almost 10 to 11 questions in this section. So this is how every unit is planned. Also, let me tell you, the question bank which is made here and the model test papers which are made, they are made in accordance to the specimen question paper plus in accordance with the previous examination papers. Now, Coming to section B of the book, which is the specimen question paper. Now this is a solved paper released by the council itself. So you can see this is the semester 2 specimen examination question paper. The answers are provided along with the questions since it's a solved paper. So this is all the specimen question paper. Now coming to section C of the book, which is the model test papers. Now this is an unsolved paper which is strictly based on the latest specimen question paper released by CISCE. Let me tell you, there are almost 5 model test papers and the questions are almost similar in the similar pattern to the specimen question paper. So you can see the model test paper is here. The answers are not provided in the model test papers since it is an unsolved paper. However, the answers to the questions of the objective types or the multiple choice questions are provided at the end of the book once all the model test papers ends. So at the end of the book, all the answers are there only for the multiple choice questions or objective type questions, right? So this is how the book has been planned. If you want to see more question bank, you want to see more model test papers of different subjects, you can visit our website. The website is www.goyal-books.com.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.